So Dean, before we dive into the news, what is Surf Air Mobility?
We're building an air mobility platform. We have two sides of the business. We have an air mobility business, which is an on-demand charter network and a scheduled airline, where we fly over 500,000 customers a year. And we also have a technology business where we build software for charter brokers, operators, and owners in the space, as well as an electrification business where we're designing electric powertrains for the Cessna Caravan.
All right, and Surf Air Mobility recently reported Q3 earnings. What were the takeaways?
I think takeaways. So it was the seventh consecutive quarter of meeting or beating expectations. So we're very proud of the operating team. We recently announced new financing, which was transformative for the business. And we announced our plans around our software, which is one of the more exciting parts of our business that we intend to start to commercialize in 2026.
All right, and you also recently announced a $100 million strategic transaction. Can you unpack that for us?
Yeah, absolutely. So there were two key reasons for that. $26 million of that was common equity, typically to further the development of our AI-based SurfOS software we're building in partnership with Palantir. And $74 million of it was primarily to refinance your debt loan that we had with a zero coupon loan, which puts us on a path to gradually delever the balance sheet and make it much more efficient.
All right, and many AI platforms are built for broad use cases. Can you break down your vertical first approach and explain its impact on regional air mobility?
Absolutely. And I think it ties to trends in the industry where vertical approaches are starting to gain momentum as people understand that the broader approaches can't get as specialized outcomes that we need for B2B scenarios. So regional air mobility is an area where there isn't much technology built for the space. There's a fragmented group of players in the space, operators, brokers, owners, all of which need to get together to make transactions happen. We're one of the larger players in what we call commuter airspace, which is scheduled service in this area. And we've been developing technology with which involves using a lot of proprietary data to help our own business make decisions that we're now extending out across the industry. So to sum it up, it's a perfect vertical for vertical AI because there needs to be an industry expert with data that can then go and collect data from various other constituents in the value chain to help everyone make more informed decisions.
All right, and I understand that Surf Air operates both aircraft and software, and you say that gives you an advantage. Why is that?
I think very simply, besides the operating knowledge, it's the data. And it also, I would expand on that to say that in addition to operating our own aircraft, we work with over 400 other operators to service what we call our on-demand platform. We have the ability to more of a platform position, understand everyone's needs, as well as work with all of their data to create more efficient outcomes.
All right, and what is next for Surf Air Mobility?
I think next, what we're most excited about is taking the software that we've been building and running our own business more efficiently with and rolling it out commercially across the industry.